this wall, okay? Stay there, wait for us.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to show you on how we hang this heavy mirror on our bathroom wall. So we bought this heavy mirror with a frame, and it's a long mirror, kind of wide mirror. So we are trying to figure out on how we can hang this safely and sturdy. So we went again to Home Depot and looked for any option on how we can hang this safely and sturdy. So we found this long bar which you can join together. So we bought a pair of this bar, and as you can see, my husband is installing it at the back of our mirror frame, and he installed the other one on the wall so that we can hang this mirror with this other part of the bar there. So okay, let's go and hang.
Get the mirror and hang it on this wall, okay? Stay there, wait for us.
So as you can see, we my husband installed the other pair of the bar on the wall. There, he screwed it there facing upward, and then the one that he installed at the back of our mirror is facing downward, so that when we install the mirror, we just hang it on the other bar there on the wall.
There. And
Go high. Go high. Okay, go towards me. Up higher.
oh, okay.
Go towards me.
Hold this so I can.
Okay.
We'll change place.
Just let go. It's
We'll change place so that you can look at there if it's doing good or not.
Oh,
So
It's
I'll
in.
hold there here.
it's in.
It's in.
Yeah, how you want it?
Yay! We got it! It's so easy and sturdy. Yay! Perfect. Nice idea! Perfect. So there, it's so easy to put the heavy mirror in the wall. That's a good idea. Bye. See you next time, guys.